Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit Spotify profile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Spotify application and make sure that you're logged into your account. You can easily customize your Spotify profile whether you are using a desktop or a mobile. From the main homepage of Spotify, tap on the gear icon located at the upper right hand corner. Tap on View Profile at the top under the Settings tab. You'll be able to see your name with a human icon in it if you've not updated your profile yet. Tap Edit Profile, and now if you want to update a profile picture for yourself, tap on the human icon. Soon after you tap on it, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu appearing at the bottom. Click on Choose from Library or try taking a picture right now by tapping on Take Photo. Select a picture for yourself and tap Choose. Once you've updated a profile picture for yourself, if you want to change your nickname, you can tap on the name right beneath Change Photo and make any kind of a change if you want to do that to your nickname. Once you update your profile, tap the Save button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see your profile updated. You can come back anytime in this page and edit your profile as per your choice. Once you have an eye-catching profile for yourself, you can now share your profile by tapping on the three dots at the top right hand corner from this page and tapping on Share. You can choose the messaging app in order to share your profile or simply copy the link and send it to the friends that you want to share it with. That was how you can easily edit your profile for Spotify. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.